I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy government bonds in Groww, only ways. Open the Groww app and sign in, then tap Invest and choose Bonds or Government Securities. Pick the specific bond you want, check its coupon rate and maturity, enter the exact amount you wish to invest, and confirm the purchase using net banking or UPI. Save your transaction receipt and monitor holdings under Portfolio to track interest and maturity proceeds. In this video, I will show how to buy government bonds in Groww, only ways. Focus on matching bond maturity to your financial goals while checking coupon rates for expected income. Consider liquidity and the ease of selling in the secondary market, and review settlement timelines before buying. Use the Groww filters to sort by yield, maturity, and type, and always confirm payment details and holdings after a successful purchase to avoid settlement surprises. In this video, I will show how to buy government bonds in Groww, only way. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car, so treat yourself to Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent that makes driving more pleasant while you review investments. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to buy government bonds in Groww, only way. When placing orders, consider using limit prices to control execution and protect desired yields. Verify bank mandates and e-mandates to ensure smooth settlement and interest crediting. After purchase, routinely check your portfolio for interest accruals and maturity dates, and set calendar reminders to decide on reinvestment or withdrawal before the bond matures to maintain control over your cash flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.